Encountering the Tesco mobile can't verify details error during account setup, SIM activation, or upgrades is a common issue. This problem primarily arises during ID, address, or payment checks, stemming from stringent anti-fraud measures and KYC regulations mandated by bodies like Ofcom and the Financial Conduct Authority. The good news is that as of late 2025, Tesco Mobile has significantly improved its verification process. Most issues can be resolved by ensuring the accuracy of your submitted information. Double-check that all details match your official documents exactly and that your documents are current and valid. Many problems can be resolved by simply resubmitting accurate, high-quality documents via the Tesco mobile app or website. For ID checks, Tesco Mobile requires a government-issued photo ID like a passport or driver's license. Make sure the ID isn't expired, is easily readable, and the name matches your application exactly. For address checks, provide a recent, within 3 months, utility bill, bank statement, or council tax letter. Digital proofs from bank apps are generally accepted. Your payment method must also pass security checks. Ensure you're using a card in your name, and avoid prepaid cards, which may lack sufficient transaction history. If issues persist, contact Tesco Mobile's support via their app, website, live chat, or by calling their support line to speak with a representative.